This Beachfront Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Josie Riccolo. Enjoy oceanfront living in this 1-bedroom 1.5-bath updated unit in Sea and Air Tower's amazing open concept kitchen, ocean views from the balcony. This property features a spacious floor plan with lots of closet space, has convenient community laundry facilities on the same floor. Sea Air Towers offers great amenities including direct beach access, 24-hour front desk security, valet parking, heated pool, fitness center, game room, pet-friendly building close to Aventura Mall, dining, airport, casinos. Excellent opportunity for investors. Unit already rented till May. Then after, you also have option to rent 12 times a year with a 30-day minimum. For more information, review the details below or contact Josie Riccolo at 954-275-6049.